Gift. Just here to provide a brief tutorial on how to make your birthday wishes, anniversary wishes, and all the other wishes that you and your organization community do on a regular basis online easily via a simple link and your credit card. So you'll go to wishwell.onegift.ai/make a wish. You can ignore the local host. That's just because I'm still in a test environment here. It'll just take a few seconds to load. If it takes more than 10 seconds, then you probably have a technical issue. You can reach out, as always, with the help icon at the bottom. You'll just search for your record here, either by your PAP number, which is the unique ID number you get from your organization, or you can search by name. So we'll just use Leah, borrow Leah's record as an example. You want to set, if you're doing birthday or anniversary wishes, there may be more opportunities, more options there depending on your organization, what quarter you're doing the wishes for, and what year you're doing the wishes for. Okay, so you'll just show the order form. It'll take, again, a few seconds to load. And you can see all the names of the people whose birthdays are January, February, and March. We don't put the days, so we kind of keep that a little bit private. You just go through. It's all in alphabetical order by last name. You can check the people you want to wish happy birthday to. At the top, you can see the total amounts per month and then the total donations that you're planning on making. Once you've finished kind of selecting everyone you want to wish happy birthday to, hopefully it's a couple more than this, but just using this as an example, you'll come in here and hit make wishes. So most organizations are going to want you to do at least $1 per donation, but your kind of administrators can tell you exactly how you should handle this. But we'll just keep it as a default. You can always donate more, and obviously that'll all go to the to your community. And again, sometimes chapters say you can donate to everyone and have a discount. So just go with whatever your central chapter says. To be clear, you can put any number in there, so it's up to you how much you actually want to donate, but it should be in line with whatever your central chapter wants. Make sure you put an email. Both the dollar amount donated and the email, a valid email, are required to move forward. And then there are some fees for one gift, as well as credit card processing fees, 8.5 plus 50 cents. We will all the time be working on trying to reduce those fees, but that's what they are now. You can choose if you want to cover them so that the full $11 gets to the charity, or if you don't, you obviously don't have to. So then you'll just hit this Make Wishes button. You'll see the total has been calculated, and you just need to put in your credit card number. I'm using just a dummy number there. And dummy information there. You just hit pay, and you'll see the payment has been successful. You will get a receipt in your email to let you know that the payment was successful, and what quarter it was for, and what year it was for, so that you can kind of see that, and you have that as a record of your donation. You can also reach out to your administrators to get any information you need from them representing the donation if you need more than that receipt. And those orders and wishes are all placed, and will be your name will be on the cards, wishing your friends and family and colleagues happy birthday, happy anniversary, or happy whatever. So tried to keep this simple, try to make it easy to use. We hope that you enjoy it, and that this works for you. Thanks so much, and happy giving.